Hello, good morning, my dear friends. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Learn English Words Daily. Dear friends, before we go through the entire content of this video, I request you people to read the disclaimer completely till the end and then proceed further. My dear friends, I welcome you all to this lesson 191. In this lesson, we will be exploring several other highly confusing English words as usual. Dear friends, be careful with the spellings of words. Don't get shocked because the story unfolds now. My dear friends, please look at these two words here. The first word is morning, morning. The second word is mourning, morning. So, if you look at these two words from a distance, both of them almost look similar. Not only that, when you pronounce these two words, both of them are producing almost same sound. So, both the words are likely to create a lot of confusion for an English learner whenever he come across a situation wherein he has to write sentences by using these two words or he has to make communication with other people by using these two words. So, it is very much necessary to know these two words thoroughly or in detail. Let us proceed now and try to learn both the words in detail. Dear friends, when once you go through this video completely and if you feel the content of this video as very much useful to you, please give a like to this video. Also, share your comments and suggestions in the description box. Kindly share this video with your friends and relatives who are interested to learn highly confusing English words on daily basis. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, utilize the subscription option given here and subscribe to this channel. Now, without delaying much of our time, let's proceed further and try to learn two highly confusing English words, morning and morning. Dear friends, here is the first word of today's lesson. The word is morning, morning. I am very much sure all the viewers of this video know about this word. However, let us try to learn this word in detail. In detail, I mean, let us try to understand its meaning as to see how the word can be used in sentence formation, and let us try to learn the synonyms and antonyms for the word morning. Meaning of the word morning is the period of time between midnight and noon. That is called morning. That's why whenever you meet a person in the morning, you say him good morning, but you don't say good afternoon, right? Okay, now let us see as to how we can frame sentences by using the word morning. Sentence 1. I saw him this morning in the library. Second sentence. She buys a bottle of milk daily morning. Dear friends, there are some words which give similar meanings and we call such groups of words as synonyms. Synonyms for the word morning are dawn, daylight, forenoon. And there are some words which give opposite meanings and we call such groups of words as antonyms. Antonyms for the word morning are evening, night, sunset. Dear friends, today you have learned the word morning in a very detailed manner. Now let us proceed further and try to learn the word morning, which is highly confusing with the word morning. My dear friends, here is the next highly confusing English word of this video. The word is mourning. Mourning, mourning. Meaning of the word mourning is expression of sorrow or grief for someone's death. Now let us see as to how sentences can be framed by using the word mourning. First sentence. He was in deep mourning for his dead wife. Second sentence. Shops were closed as a sign of mourning for the king. Synonyms for the word mourning are grieving, sorrowing, crying, weeping. And antonyms for the word mourning or rejoicing, cheering, ravishing. Dear friends, after studying the word morning in a very detailed manner, I am very much sure now you are confident of using the words morning or morning appropriately whenever the situation arises in future. Dear friends, after going through this video, I am very much sure whatever the doubts you had regarding the words morning and morning, which are highly confusing, have been completely cleared. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you very soon with another list of highly confusing English words on this channel. Learn English words daily. Till then, take care.